In this video, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 dry bag essentials. So you need a good dry bag to start with. I get a 15-litre one because I feel like it's a good size, fits all my essentials in, but isn't too big and bulky to carry on the boat. Firstly, hydration is really important, so I'd recommend always bringing a water bottle with you because being dehydrated can increase your risk of getting the bends. You also want to maybe take a flask with you. I really like having a flask of hot tea with me when I'm on boats. It's really nice when you come out after a cold dive. Secondly, when you get out of the water, you want to keep warm, so I tend to bring a pair of gloves, a hat, and a dry robe to get changed in. And also, a waterproof jacket is really handy. You just want to keep as warm and dry as possible. Number 3 is a dive log. This is really handy to have, especially if you're doing multiple dives in the day. You can write down what you've done, the time in, the time out, what you've seen. Number 4 is sun protection. I'd recommend bringing a bottle of sun cream and some sunglasses, which are really handy. Even if it's cloudy, you can still get sunburn. And number 5 is a little repair kit. If you have a little tear, that can happen if your nail gets caught in the latex or anything like that, it's handy to have a little repair kit like this. For more tips and tricks and adventure content, make sure you subscribe and hit that like button.